What's up? What's up? Feeling that? Yeah. Yeah. What's up? What's up? What's happening, all my brothers and sisters? God bless. This
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for taps. For all non-military, please place your right hand over your heart. For all military and first responders, present arms. Bugler, sound taps. Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. The first fold of our flag represents life. The second fold represents our belief in eternal life. The third fold honors and remembers the veterans who have left our ranks and to that time in their lives that they dedicated to the defense of our country to help achieve peace throughout the world. The fourth fold recognizes that as Americans we place our faith in God, and it is Him that we turn to in peacetime and in wartime for His divine guidance. The fifth fold honors our country, for in the words of Stephen Decatur, our country, when dealing with other countries, may she always be right. But it is still our country, right or wrong. The sixth fold recognizes where our hearts lie, for it is with our hearts that we pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The seventh fold honors our armed forces, for it is our armed forces who protect us from our enemies, both from within and beyond the borders of our great republic. The eighth fold honors those who entered into the shadow of the valley of death, so that we may see the light, and for our mothers, for whom we fly the flag on Mother's Day. The ninth fold honors motherhood itself, for it was their love, devotion, faith, and guidance that formed the character of the men and women who created our great nation. The 10th fold honors our fathers, for they too offered their sons and daughters for the defense of our country from the time he or she was first born. The 11th fold honors the fact that as Americans we are free to worship the God of our choice, or no God at all. The 12th fold honors that part of the First Amendment to the Constitution of the United States, which guarantees all Americans freedom of religion or ethical philosophy. The 13th fold is the final fold. Upon completion of this fold, the flag is rendered into the shape of a triangle, showing only the stars. This fold has several meanings. Showing only the stars, it represents the original 13 colonies. The triangle shape mimics the type of hat worn by General George Washington and Captain John Paul Jones and their soldiers and Marines as they fought gallantly to free us from tyranny. But the most important meaning of the 13th fold is that it represents our country's motto: "In God we trust."